Riding through the waves, yeah, remembering the past. Those were the days we wish that time wouldn't fly so fast. See, childhood was really the best. These are the waves of life. Riding down really has its price. Really has its price. Listen word, the moments filled with laughter, hope and joy. They remind me of my friends and my cousins, all now big boys. Why do we bail out, sometimes miss out on these opportunities? It may frighten you sometimes, but what is to be, just let it be. Just open your eyes and be strong, 'cause the wave that you caught might be huge and long. If you ride this wave, then you'll say, this is my way. Waves of life are coming your way, so make your choice, better make it today. Be sure to choose for a better day, so we can still be here tomorrow and we can see the children play.